20 profitable businesses in 2024. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, but worry about the financial risk? Today is your lucky day. We are going to unveil business opportunities that are not only trending but also accessible, without the need for a large initial investment. Are you ready to discover how you can turn your skills and passions into a source of income? Do you want to know what the emerging industries are where you can start a business without emptying your savings? Stay with us. We promise you a journey full of inspiration, practical tips, and, most importantly, viable and exciting business ideas for 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional, a homemaker, or simply someone eager to start a business, this video has something for you. Let's begin this fascinating journey into entrepreneurship. 1. Affiliate marketing on social media. Explore the power of social media and turn it into your source of income with affiliate marketing. If you're passionate about platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can start promoting products or services. Every sale made through your affiliate link will earn you a commission. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about, whether it's fashion, technology, fitness, or anything else. Create content that attracts and maintains your audience's interest. Remember, authenticity is key. Promote products you truly believe in and then add value. Consistent interaction and building a solid community are essential for success in this field. 2. Mobile app development. In a world where smartphones are indispensable, developing mobile apps presents an incredibly lucrative business opportunity. If you have programming skills, you can create apps that solve everyday problems, entertain, or even educate. And if you're not a programmer, don't worry. Tools like AppyPie allow you to create apps without writing code. Identify a market need or a unique idea and start shaping it. Offer your app on platforms like Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Remember, the success of an app often lies in its simplicity and usefulness. Keep your app updated and always seek user feedback to continuously improve it. 3. Digital content creation. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for content creators. If you have skills in video, writing, graphic design, or any form of digital art, you can turn it into a profitable business. Start by identifying your niche, from makeup tutorials to travel blogs. Use platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or your own blog to share your content. The key is consistency and quality. Make sure to interact with your audience and understand what they're looking for. Over time, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or selling related products and services. 4. Sustainability consulting. Sustainability is more than a trend. It's a growing necessity in the business world. If you have knowledge of eco-friendly and sustainable practices, you can offer your services as a consultant. Help companies implement greener strategies, from reducing waste to improving energy efficiency. Start by identifying industries actively seeking to become more sustainable, such as fashion, food, or manufacturing. Develop a portfolio that showcases your expertise and knowledge in the field. Networking and participating in sustainability-related events will help you build a clientele. This is not only a profitable business, but also one that positively contributes to the planet. 5. E-commerce dropshipping. Dive into the world of e-commerce without the need to handle physical inventory with the dropshipping model. Select products from suppliers that offer dropshipping and create your own online store to sell them. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to create your store. Choose trending products or niche-specific items, such as wellness products or tech gadgets. The key is selecting reliable suppliers and an effective digital marketing strategy. Use SEO techniques, social media advertising, and email marketing to attract customers to your store. The beauty of dropshipping is that it allows you to start an e-commerce business with minimal initial investment. 6. Online courses and virtual workshops. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, share them with the world through online courses and virtual workshops. From cooking skills to programming, online education is a growing field. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even your own website can be the stage for your courses. Design a course that not only educates but also entertains and motivates your students. Include interactive resources like videos, quizzes, and practical assignments. Promote your courses on social media and through email marketing. Remember, the key to success in this business is the quality of content and the ability to keep students engaged and learning. 7. SEO and website optimization services. In a world where online presence is crucial for business success, SEO, search engine optimization, services are in higher demand than ever. If you have skills in SEO and web optimization, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Help them improve their search engine rankings, leading to more traffic and potential customers. Start by offering free website audits to attract clients and show them the potential for improvement. Stay updated with the latest search engine trends and algorithms to provide the best service. In addition to SEO, you can expand your services to overall website optimization, improving speed, usability, and user experience. 8. Virtual event planning. With the rise of virtual events, there is a great opportunity for innovative event planners. You can specialize in organizing and managing online events such as webinars, virtual conferences, and corporate meetings. Familiarize yourself with virtual event platforms and streaming tools. Offer comprehensive services that include event conceptualization, technical management, and promotion. The key is to create virtual experiences that are just as enriching and engaging as in-person events. This includes thinking about interactivity, audience participation, and high-quality content. Build strong relationships with suppliers and professionals in the industry to offer a wide range of services to your clients.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
9. Virtual event planning. Becoming an expert in virtual event planning opens up a world of possibilities in an increasingly digital era. From conferences to online concerts, virtual events require meticulous planning and technical skills. Start by establishing relationships with virtual event platforms and technology providers. Offer your clients a complete package that includes event conceptualization, technology management, marketing, and execution. Interactivity and engagement are essential. Think about live chats, surveys, and question-and-answer sessions to keep the audience involved. These types of events are not only a trend, but also represent a sustainable and accessible way to connect with people worldwide. 10. Podcast production. Podcasts have experienced a surge in popularity, becoming an ideal platform for sharing stories, knowledge, and opinions. If you have a captivating voice or audio production skills, this business is for you. Start by defining the theme of your podcast, whether it's educational, entertainment, business, or any other topic you're passionate about. You'll need basic recording and audio editing equipment. Use platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or Google Podcasts to distribute your content. The key to success is consistency, content quality, and building a community of loyal listeners. Podcasts can be monetized through advertising and sponsorships, making them an excellent tool for establishing authority in a specific niche. 11. Personalized financial advisory. With the growing interest in personal financial management, offering financial advisory services can be highly lucrative. If you have expertise in finance, you can help people better manage their money, plan for retirement, or invest wisely. Start by offering free consultations to attract clients and demonstrate your expertise. Use social media and create educational content to build your reputation. Stay updated with economic trends and financial products. Personalizing your services and showing empathy can help you build a loyal and satisfied customer. 12. Photography and digital editing services. If you have photography and editing skills, this is the perfect time to turn your passion into a profitable business. From family portraits to product photography for online stores, the opportunities are endless. Invest in quality equipment and editing software. Create an online portfolio to showcase your work. Use social media to promote your services and connect with potential clients. Offer diverse packages that cater to different needs and budgets. Maintain a unique and consistent style in your work to stand out in the market. Additional services like photo editing and creating visual content for social media can further expand your business. 13. Personal and professional coaching services. Coaching has gained popularity as a powerful tool for personal and professional development. If you have mentoring and personal development skills, consider starting a coaching business. You can specialize in areas such as career development, life coaching, or even health and wellness coaching. To start, obtain certification if possible and build your reputation by sharing your knowledge through blogs, podcasts, or videos. Offer individual sessions and group workshops. The key is to build a strong and trusting relationship with your clients, helping them achieve their goals and make significant changes in their lives. 14. Online sale of handcrafted products. If you are a craftsman or enjoy creating handmade products, online selling is an excellent way to reach a wide audience. From handmade jewelry to eco-friendly home decor, there is a niche for almost everything. Use platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade to sell your products. You can also create your own online store with Shopify or WooCommerce. Social media can help showcase your creative process and the final products. Authenticity and the story behind your creations can be a significant attraction for customers. Additionally, consider offering custom-made products, which often have high demand. 15. Social media management for small businesses. In the digital age, a strong social media presence is crucial for any business. If you have skills in digital marketing and social media, you can offer your services to small businesses looking to improve their online presence. Start by identifying local businesses or startups without an effective social media strategy. Create service packages that include profile management, content creation, and digital advertising strategies. Stay updated with the latest social media trends to offer your clients the most effective strategies. Success in this business depends on demonstrating how a strong digital presence can translate into tangible growth for your clients. 16. Online exercise courses and guides. Health and fitness are never out of style, and with the growing trend toward personal care, selling online exercise courses and guides can be very profitable. If you are a fitness expert, a personal trainer, or just an exercise enthusiast, consider creating digital courses or guides. These can include workout routines, nutrition plans, and tips for a healthy lifestyle. Use platforms like YouTube to post workout videos or create a website where you can sell your guides. Promote your courses through social media and collaborate with influencers in the health and fitness niche. Customize your offerings for different skill levels and fitness goals, from beginners to advanced athletes. 17. Translation and localization services. In a globalized world, translation and localization services are essential for businesses looking to expand internationally. If you are bilingual or multilingual, this business offers significant potential. You can specialize in document translation, website localization, or even software and video game localization. In addition to linguistic skills, it's important to understand cultural differences to ensure accurate and relevant translations. Establish an online presence and join freelance platforms to find your first clients. Quality and precision in your work will help you build a strong reputation and attract long-term clients. 18. sale of eco-friendly and sustainable products. With a growing interest in sustainability and environmental conservation, selling eco-friendly products offers a promising business opportunity. You can focus on a variety of products, such as natural cosmetics, sustainable fashion, or eco-friendly home goods. Research suppliers that offer high-quality products and ethical production practices. Create an online store and use digital marketing strategies to reach a broader audience. Educate your customers about the benefits of eco-friendly products and how their choices contribute to the well-being of the planet. The key is to build a brand that not only sells products but also represents a sustainable and conscious lifestyle. 19. Information technology, IT consulting. With technology advancing rapidly, the demand for IT experts continues to grow. If you have experience and knowledge in information technology, you can offer your services as a consultant. Help businesses implement and manage technological solutions, improve their IT infrastructure, and secure their data. Start by identifying specific niches where you can add the most value, such as cybersecurity, cloud computing, or data analytics. Build your reputation by initially offering free consultations or small-scale projects. Keep your knowledge up to date to provide the most modern and efficient solutions. Networking and recommendations from satisfied clients will be key to expanding your business. 20. Virtual interior design and decorating services. With the popularity of home renovation shows and the growing trend toward interior decoration, interior design offers a fertile field for creative entrepreneurs. If you have an eye for design and decoration, consider offering your services online. Use 3D design software to create virtual representations of interior spaces. This allows clients to see how their spaces would look before making any real changes. Promote your services through social media and create an online portfolio showcasing your best work. Offer different packages to accommodate different budgets and needs, from online consultations to complete design projects. Personalization and attention to detail will be your greatest strengths in this business. As we have seen, 2024 is full of exciting and accessible opportunities for entrepreneurs from all walks of life. From affiliate marketing on social media to information technology consulting, the possibilities for starting a profitable and exciting business are broader than ever. Remember, success in entrepreneurship depends not only on a good idea but also on passion, dedication, and the willingness to learn and adapt. Each of these 20 ideas offers a unique path for those looking to make their business dreams come true this year. If you enjoyed this video, click like, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and educational content. Feel free to share your ideas or questions in the comments. We are here to support you on your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 20 profitable businesses in 2024. Until next time, we wish you much success in your business ventures.